Hi everybody, Mr. Van here. Today is Christmas, so me and my wife decided to have an intimate Christmas dinner with just me and her. We love our family, but work has been exhausting, so we decided just to chill at the house. So today we're gonna have deep fried duck from Maple Leaf. Also, we're gonna have roasted Brussels sprouts, and we're gonna have a corn salad. My wife is fixing a Cornish hen for herself, and we just gonna chill around and enjoy this fine Christmas day. And so I got the roasted duck already going on. I brought a deep roaster this year for the turkey, and I decided, hey, why not? Why not try duck? Because I love duck. But I was looking at some side dishes, and so one of the things the internet suggests is that we have some roasted Brussels sprouts. And my daughter, she's an incredible cook, and she usually cooks them for us, so I decided to give it a try. Today we're gonna start it with some frozen Brussels sprouts. Right now I'm just gonna cut off the ends of them, and I'm gonna half them. And I set the oven to 450. All right, just got them out of the oven. Got a nice caramelized color to it. And we're about to serve them up.
Alexa, off.
Everybody, thanks for joining us this holiday season.
Because this is what we do.
Amen. God bless.
Bye-bye.
And have a gracious and glorious Christmas.